So, sana walang mangyayari kay Roxy. Sana hindi malala. Sana hindi serious. So, hello. I have a problem. Yeah.
Nanay gumis balay sa dato, walay tao kay pulos bitago. Kahuman sa among kanta, mga iro cry na natawa. Iaw-aw mo, aw! Iaw-aw mo, aw! Aw-aw-aw-aw, aw! Iaw-aw mo, aw! Iaw-aw mo, aw! Iaw-aw mo, aw! Aw-aw-aw-aw, iaw-aw mo. Among kanta, amo lang sa puso. Ugmaran na mo'y padayon. Ay taas kining among lakaon. Ang kwarta itagak na intaw. Itagak mo, itagak mo, tagak-tagak na ang kwarta mo. Itagak mo, itagak mo, tagak-tagak ang 50.
Go get the thing. Go get the ducky. Give me the ducky. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it, Rox. Okay, good girl. Good girl. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. Good girl. Go get it. Give it to me. Look at tingnan niyo si Misty. Si Misty shaking. Oh, Misty is very strong, baby, right? Your sister is very strong. Yes, Misty is a strong dog. Oh my God, she's very little, but she's strong. Yes, I look the same. Good morning, good morning. I look the same. I still wear the same. Anyway, I'm cleaning again the floor as usual. I really need to get, because I cannot vacuum every day and I need to clean the floor every day. Tommy said it's better I do clean every day. Once a week is like a bunch of hair. I need a sweeper, like dry one, because we have wet sweeper. And Tommy said we're gonna get the dry one. Tayong mga merong mga pets, lalo at saka aso at saka pusa, lalo na yung aso, dumidikit yung amoy nila. Tayong mga owner, immune na tayo, parang sanay na tayo sa amoy ba? Sanay na tayo sa mga kung anong merong amoy yung aso. Kaya yung aso may spray din sila, dry shampoo, meron sila. So ginagawa ko sa kanila yun. At saka meron din kaming spray for the couch. Because kapag may bisita kasi, naamoy nila kapag lalo na wala silang aso. At saka naamoy nila yung amoy ng aso. Kung hindi nyo pinapaliguan, you don't take care of your dogs, something like that. You don't dry shampoo them, waterless dry shampoo. And itong si Misty, mas maamoy siya kasi Roxy. Si Roxy talagang amoy ganda. Roxy, Misty, hito pa rin ako, walang ligo. I was talking to Tommy for a long time. Nag-usap kami ni Tommy, pang matagalan talaga yung usap namin, guys. So, kakain lang ako ng yung ribs na niluto namin noong isang araw. Oh, asan yun, Rox? Show me, Rox. Show me, Rox. Show me. Show me. Show me. Show me. So yun guys, nakita nyo yun, yung leg niya may parang blood clot. So yun. Ano siya? Hinahanap ko sa online, ako guys, or nag-itching guys, dahil nag-ano yung mukha ko dahil si Hubs kinikiss ko. Anyway, so, balik tayo sa usapang aso. This morning, when I look Roxy's leg, meron na siyang pula. Pula at saka dry. Para siyang blood clots. Dugo siya, guys, na parang sa loob ng... Hindi siya sa mud. Hindi siya yung like, you know, yung wound na sa labas. Nasa loob yun. Dugo siya. Pero, parang nag-dry skin siya ba? At saka nawala ng iba ng hair. Diba? So, I look online. Sometimes it happen into the dog's ear, the dog's leg, mostly, you know, the legs and the ear. Ano daw, yung mga ganyan daw, yung aso, palaging kinakagat yung leg, and then kagat yung paa nila. At palagi nakikita ko si Roxy na kinakagat niya yung paa niya, at saka she licked it. So, kailangan mo lang daw lagyan ng cream na pang-aso na hindi maka-poison. So, meron kami doon sa isang bahay dahil hinitami yun bukas. So, sana walang mangyayari kay Roxy. Sana hindi malala, sana hindi serious, sana hindi text, sana ano lang yun, yung kate, at saka kinagat niya. So, yun. So, nag-alala lang ako, guys. Pero sana hindi text, or maybe sa shampoo. Pero ginagamit ko naman yung shampoo nila palagi, matagal-tagal na. At hindi naman ganun. Kain tayo. Ito yung ribs. Sarap. Punta sana ako sa grocery, pero to get some, you know, milk and egg. Hi. Yun. Ito yun, guys. Yan. Sa legs niya. Diba, Rox? Finally, naka-upload na rin. And, oh, andun ka pala, bag. Andyan ka pala, bag, tibag. Andun siya sa tower.
The radiologist rolled that out really quick. Normal CT. Was
when you have type 2 diabetes,
Hey, what are you doing in my chair? Dimple arts. What are you doing in there? That's where I sit down. Hey! Roxy, no, you cannot lick that part.
What?
You're not going to lick your thing, okay, baby? Roxy, you're not going to lick that, okay? Don't lick that, baby. You cover it. Oh, tinatabunan niya. Huwag mong tabunan, Rox. Gusto kong tignan, Rox. Nag-alala ako nito, guys. Iwan ko ba, guys? Baby kasi ni mama ito. Mama's worried about you, my love.
Rocking around Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Mistletoe hung where you can see every couple tries to stop. Rocking around.
I cannot let you bring the ducky out, baby. You can go play out and not with the ducky duck. Okay? I will let you go out, and then the ducky duck will stay here, okay? Where's the ducky duck? Give me the ducky duck. Go get the ducky duck. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Give it to mama. Give it to mama. Come here. Give it to me. Good girl. You want me to... Oh, she's trying to tell me to let out, guys. Look at it, guys. She's trying to tell me to go out with the ducky duck. Give me the ducky duck, baby. Good girl. No, look, she won't give it to me because she want it out. Oh, give me the ducky duck, my love. Oh my goodness, you the cutest little Australian Shepherd. Oh, give it to mama. Okay, give it to mama. Give it to mama. Give me the ducky duck. Good girl. Good girl. Look at this, guys. Look. Look, she's so happy. That's all. She's happy and I'm gonna take it later. Makes her happy. Look at it. Look, look. She's so happy. Ang ginaw guys. Sobrang ginaw as in. Sobrang ginaw. Sobrang ginaw. You can see the city anyway. Kita nyo may mga lights doon. Yun ang city. Filipino style guys, look. Filipino style, picking it with your toe. This is what happened guys when you have a kid, which is animal like pets. This is what happened. Look, want to play, that's what the dog is, want to play all the freaking time. And that's what she is. That's what, did you see her face? Because we play outside. I went outside and picked up the ducky duck and she likes it and she want more. Oh, okay, I'm gonna play with her guys because I feel bad now. I just get the bone for the dog, but look who's sitting down on the chair. Look, they're eating their bones. What are you looking over the bug? What are you looking over there, Bug T? Did you see a bug, little bug? Bug? What? There's no bug in my fake flower. There's no bug in there. You're the only bug in the house, little bug. Huh? Huh? There's no bug in my fake flower, bug. What? Look what happened to Roxy, guys. Tignan nyo kung anong binigay niya sa akin, guys. I don't want that. I don't want that. Look, tignan nyo, guys. Oh, she's pushing it. She's pushing it towards me. She's pushing it on my stomach. What? Look, 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 look. Look. What? Hello.
Man,
I have a problem.
you do?
Yeah.
Well, look, just talk to her nice and she'll lie down.
How do you know?
What's going on?
Nah, just Roxy's pin in the neck.
She's usually a pain in the neck. Let's see.
The ducky duck.
Oh, yeah, with the duck wants to go outside again with it?
I let her do it again. And kakain lang ako. I just been sitting down over there watching the TV with that untold story. Untold story sa ER. Yung ER. ER ba? Yung ER ba? Kasabot ba mong ER? Emergency room. So, garlic bread. The same thing what I have for lunch. Yung the ribs at saka rice at saka, you know, garlic bread. Garlic bread is good. And so, yun lang. So, kita-kits na lang tayo mamaya sa taas, guys, kasi kakain lang ako, guys. Okay, guys, kakain lang ako. It's 8 o'clock na ng gabi. 8:18. Gabi na, guys. It's time to sleep. And tomorrow morning, maaga ako bukas. Well, it's not really that maaga because I think I will probably go to the house like 10 o'clock. Yung kapatid ng asawa ko, punta ko doon para yung posa. So, I don't know what time she want me to go, but she said morning, so I guess I'm gonna go in the morning. Puntahan ko lang yung posa nila. Ganyan yan, guys, kapag may mga alaga. Lalo na pag-aso. Ay, sobra. Pag-aso talaga. Mas everyday talaga andun ka. Palabas pa. Yung iba nga, guys, pag may aso, guys, mag-hire sila ng dog sitter. At saka, alam nyo ba, mahal. Mas parang yung mga tao, mas nagbabayad pa sila ng mahal ng dog sitter than the babysitter. Anyway, I'm going to end this vlog. Salamat guys sa panonood and siya, so matutulog na ako. Well, I'm going to watch a video It's a movie. The title is Still Mine. So, yun ang title. Sa Amazon Prime na naman ako nanonood. Salamat guys sa panonood. And I really appreciate it. I hope you like the video. And you subscribe guys if you haven't subscribed into this channel. Sa totoo, pasalamat ako sa time ninyo. Sa pag-like, sa pag-subscribe. And yeah, I really do appreciate it. Salamat guys. So much. And kita-kits bukas because everyday I upload a video. So, yeah, everyday I upload a video. And thank you guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys. Good night. Bye. I was lying down over there. She's walking on top of her bed. She's walking back. I'm gonna do insert shout out. So, I palit-palit.